is partnering with the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County to learn all about the science of SpongeBob.
Welcome to the museum.
We all know Bikini Bottom like the back of our flipper, but how much do we know about the history?
Good question.
Let's check in with Dr. Austin Hendy, an invertebrate paleontologist that studies ocean fossil specimens. Maybe he can tell us a little bit about what ancient Bikini Bottom may have looked like.
I'm Dr. Austin Hendy. I'm the curator of invertebrate paleontology.
Hey, what?
Invertebrate paleontology is the study of ancient invertebrates. These are animals without backbones. Animals like clams, snails, crabs, sea urchins, sea stars. They represent 95% of animal life on Earth, and they have a rich fossil record.
This is going to be written about in the history books someday.
I work with a museum collection that is about 7 million specimens in our collection, and it allows us to travel back in time to see how marine communities have changed through time. So it's a wonderful opportunity for us to use our imagination to go back in time and think about what a Bikini Bottom might have looked like 450 million years ago. Welcome to the Invertebrate Paleontology collection of the Natural History Museum. This collection we're in today are our type fossils. These are the most special fossils that we have in the collection.
Very, very special indeed.
SpongeBob and his relatives, sponges, have been probably one of the oldest animal groups. We have a fossil record that goes back nearly 600 million years.
Hey, Grandma.
Why, hello, SpongeBob.
These are glass sponges, and these are probably the oldest relatives of SpongeBob.
Probably belong to your ancient ancestors!
Wow, so the sponge ancestry goes back pretty far. But how exactly do scientists even know how old these fossils are?
There's a discipline of geology called GEOCHRONOLOGY, which involves looking at geochemical clues to the age of rocks, particularly rocks that come from volcanoes, have a lot of radioactive elements in them. Now, what that allows us to do is look at the fossils found in those rocks and say, okay, we know that these rocks are 400 million years old, and these fossils are found in those rocks. Following on from that, we can infer that wherever we find those fossils, they're probably around 400 million years old.
I went to the future, and then I went to the past, and then I was nowhere. But now I'm back, and you don't know how happy I am to see you guys.
Check back in for more Science of SpongeBob, brought to you by the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County and Nickelodeon.